Every time I say you, want you to think the same things too. Nobody can be so unmovable. Got a gift for you, proof I adore you. But it's not enough, I'm wasting all my time. I could go home at night. You could show me what it feels like.
Hi everyone! I'm really excited today because I'm going to pick up some fresh young coconuts. Now that may not be exciting for everyone, but it really is for me, and I'll let you know why. So I don't think I've told you this before, but I really don't like water. I don't know why, I've just never enjoyed drinking water. Don't really like the taste of it, and I have really high quality spring water here at home. I've tried adding different fruits to water and adding lemon or lime to it, but I just don't like it. And I know that's terrible for a health foodie to say, but it's true. But I've never had any issues with dehydration. I think simply because I eat so much raw fruit. So I get a lot of beautiful structured water, which is in the fruit. But coconut water, that's another story. I love, love, love coconut water. Don't know what it is about it, but I just crave it so much. I could drink it literally all day, every day. But yeah, it's a bit of a struggle to be able to get fresh coconuts here in Brisbane. I mean, you get those ones that have been cut out of the shell from your local health food stores or even supermarkets. But once you've been to places like Bali and Hawaii and you've had like fresh coconuts off the tree that are still in the husk, they're so good and you really can't compare anything to that. Plus the ones from the stores, you know, have been dipped into chemicals to prevent mold, and they're something like 8 weeks old before even being like shipped overseas. So yeah, they're coming from overseas countries like Asia, so they're being shipped for a really long time. But yeah, obviously they're still okay. I don't think the chemicals really leach through the shell, I'm not sure. But if you can get fresh coconuts that are still in the husk, obviously they're better. So I finally found a supplier of these coconuts who grow them in Port Douglas, which is North Queensland, so they don't travel very far and they're just about 15 minutes from my house. I can't believe I've never found these before. So yeah, I'm going to pick them up today and I'm getting about 25 coconuts. And yeah, I'm just really excited. So I will show you them when I get home. Look at these babies.
You still got me.
And he also threw in this handy dandy coconut opener because I bought so many coconuts. So I'm really excited to start using this because I usually just use this axe thing, which definitely does the job, but it does take a lot longer and it is more dangerous. My parents always freak out when they see me going downstairs with this thing. So it's lunchtime now and I have all of these papayas and I think a couple of them are ripe. Yes, I think you're ripe. Let's see. So they smell sweet and they're soft to touch, so hopefully they're ripe. So I've taken, as you can see, most of the seeds out, but I've left probably like 5 or 6 in there in each half. So the seeds are actually really good for your digestive system, and they're really good for getting rid of any unwanted house guests like parasites and worms and those sorts of things. So they aren't the best tasting, they're really super bitter, but they're really good for you at the same time. So make sure to keep some of the seeds in when you're eating your papayas.